Good morning, children. Today we will start new chapter, pattern. Now pattern means how the question will be given. You have to study that one, you have to follow it, and then you have to fill in the blanks how much it is given. Suppose in some questions 4 blanks will be there, some 3 will be there, somewhere 1 blank may be given. So just you have to follow the pattern in which way the question is given. Little bit you have to use your brain. Sometimes it is nothing to learn about it. You have to follow the question, see the trick how the question is given, and then you have to fill the other blanks. So today whatever question I have prepared here, all are having 4 blanks, and all the varieties I tried here to do, some with the alphabets and some with numbers. In my next class again with the figures I will explain you. So I have given you one question, I may give you one more to show you with the alphabets how it is given. Suppose for the alphabet specially, if the question is in capital letter, you have to follow the same pattern. That means the question is in capital letter, the other blanks also you have to fill with capital letters. If it is in small letters or cursive, you have to fill the blanks with cursive or small letters. So you have to see the question, in which format the question is given. 2 or 3 numbers which will be given, or 2 or 3 patterns which will be given. You have to follow it, and rest part you have to fill it like this. Let us see the first question. See 0, 5, 10. That means we can see the numbers are jumping in 5 or skipping in 5s. They are leaving 5 house and then jumping. After 0, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it is skipping in 5. To make it more accurate, we will again count after 5 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we confirm that it is skipping in 5s. So now after 10, start counting 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That means here I am going to write 15. Now after 15, again you skip in 5s. Other you can read the table of 5 also, that means skipping in 5s, or you straight away you go on counting. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. That means I am going to write here 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. That means here I will write here 25. After 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So I am going to write here 30. So now see the first question already we have done skipping in 5s. Let us go to the next question. See 94, 93, 92. That means it is written in backward counting. The pattern we have to follow, it is written in backward counting. So 94, before 94, 93, then 92, then I will write here 91. Before 90 what comes? 90, then what comes? 89, then 88. See the backward counting? We have followed the backward counting, and this way we have completed the blanks. Next one, see 66, 67, 68. That means we are doing forward counting. We are doing forward counting. 66, 67, 68. Then what should we write? 69. Then what we should write? 70, then 71, then 72. So this way we have done the forward counting. Now next question, see it is jumping from 3 to 6, then 6 to 9. That means we have to see after 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is jumping in 3. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. That means it is confirmed that it is jumping in 3s or skipping in 3s. So after 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write here 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will write here 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So I am going to write here 18. After 18, 19, 20, 21. So I will write here 21. Now next question, see 11, 21, 31. Like this also you can follow, or you can see 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. No comma is there, that means we will take it as 11. No comma is there, that means 21. That means it is jumping in 10. But we can write like this also. 4, 1, then 5, 1, then 6, 1, then 7, 1, like this. Now next one, see 0, 7, 14. That means it is keeping in how much we have to see. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it is keeping in 7. So after 7, let us see, confirm it. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means it is keeping in 7. So after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So we will write here 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So here we will write 28. After 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So we are going to write here 35. After 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So I will write here 42. Now next one. Here see I have written the alphabets A, B, B, C, C, D. That means ending one. The next pattern it is starting. First sequence A, B. Then the next one is starting with B. Again next one. So again it is starting with C, D. Now I will write here D, E. Then E, F, F, G, G, H. So in this way we have followed. So let us see one more. Suppose I am writing here A, comma, B, B, comma, C, C. So next one what should be? D, D, then E, E. Yes, then F, F. Next G, G. So from here we have seen varieties of patterns in the numbers especially and the alphabets. In next class or in next video I will show you patterns which can be done with the figures, which can be done with the alphabets or in the form of small letters or capital letters or the lines. We can draw the shapes. With the shapes also pattern can be framed. So we will practice those types of questions in my next video. Thank you children.